Let's investigate some properties of square roots and roots in general. So if we have the nth root of x, this is equal to x raised to the 1 divided by n power, right? So then this infers that if we have the square root of x, like so, that this is equal to x to the 1/2 power, right? Now in your calculator, this is just written as square root of x like this. And the 2 is understood to be right here. If you see a square root without the root noted, then it's understood that that's 2, right? Okay, so then we could have the cube root of x is equal to x to the 1/3. And the way that you would input this into your calculator would be x caret open parentheses 1 divided by 3 close parentheses, like so, right? Okay, so let's take a look at an example. If we have the square root of 4, let's ask ourselves how to solve this problem just by thinking with words. This is obvious that the answer is 2, right? But what this says is, what this expression is saying, or what it's asking is, what number times itself is equal to 4? That's the way to put these roots into words. What number times itself is equal to 4? Well, 2 times 2 is equal to 4, so then the square root of 4 is equal to 2, right? And similarly, if we have the cube root of 8, this says what number times itself and then times itself again is equal to 8, right? So 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. And you see how the 3 2's, right? So if 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8, then the cubed root of 8 is equal to 2 also. Same as this. This is just a coincidence that these two both happen to be equal to 2. That's just because I picked this number 8 and I picked this number 4, right? Okay, so then one last property to consider. If we have the square root of x like this raised to the 3rd power like this, then remember this can be written as x to the 1/2 like this. So this is an equivalent expression for this. Then we remember from our exponent rules, from our power rules for algebra, that this is equal to, remember whenever we raise a power to a power, we just multiply the two powers together. So 3 times 1/2 is 3/2. So this is x to the 3/2, right? Because 3 times 1/2 is equal to, and this is just, you multiply this is understood to be a 3/1, right? Anytime you multiply fractions, you just multiply the top and you multiply the bottom. So this is 3/2. All right? Okay, I'm going to step to the side and give you a clear screenshot.